Welcome back to our new episode. Today, let's learn about the features of polar regions. We know that the regions sharing almost similar climatic characteristics are called climatic regions. The climate of each region has a decisive influence on the human life. Now, let's learn about the climatic features of polar regions. Here in this picture you can see that the region which is in frigid zone is called polar region. The frigid zones are the coldest regions of the earth. These are covered with ice and snow throughout the year. There are two frigid zones, the North Frigid Zone and the South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone is located between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the South Frigid Zone is located between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. The frigid zones experience extreme cold climate because of their distance from the equator. Here, the water is present in frozen state. This polar region experiences 6 months of continuous daytime and 6 months of continuous night due to the tilt of the axis of the earth. Now, let's check the vegetation in the polar regions. Due to the extreme cold climate, there are permanently frozen soil in the polar regions, and because of this, there is almost no vegetation in the frigid zones. As the weather is comparatively mild in summer season, we can see mosses, lichens and sandy grasses grow in the summer season. Let's check the wildlife in polar regions. Penguins, snow owls, seals, walruses, reindeer and polar bears are found in the frigid zones. These penguins, seals and walruses have thick skin which protects them from severe cold. Even many species of fish and insects are also found in these zones. Now, let's check the lifestyle of the people in these regions. Since the climate of the frigid zone is very cold, very few people live in these regions. But in parts of Greenland, Canada, United States and Russia are inhabited by people called Inuits. They are also known as Eskimos. They live in houses called igloos. The Inuits practice fishing and hunting. The types of boats that they use for hunting and fishing is called kayaks. The special spears that they use for hunting is called harpoons. They use sledges drawn by reindeers as a means of transport. The Lapps of the northern Scandinavia and Samoyeds, Yakuts and Chukchis of Siberia are some other groups of people who live in the frigid zones. So here in this topic we have discussed the frigid zones are located between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. Mosses, lichens and sandy grasses grow during summer in the frigid zones. Polar bears, reindeers, snow owls and penguins are found in the frigid zones. Even we have checked the types of inhabitants in the frigid zone also. So here, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.